Students, as you are aware that the school is organizing English handwriting competition and it is on which date? 24th April 2021 means Saturday. The day is Saturday and the date is 24th April 2021. Okay students, and what are the timings of this competition? The timings are, it will start on 24th April at 1 p.m. Okay, the teacher will upload by the way of e-assignment as you have done in your half yearly and annual examination. In the same manner, here in e-assignment module, you will get the PDF file in which related material will be there. From there, you have to copy the work in your English grammar notebook. Okay students, this competition means this handwriting competition you have to do in your English grammar notebook and it will start on 24th at 1 p.m. After the online classes it will start, okay, and you will get the PDF file on e-assignment. In the e-assignment module it will be there. From there you will download the PDF file and then afterwards you will start writing. Okay, and till which date you have to submit? The submission date also here mentioned. It is mentioned here. It is 26th April. Okay, it means you have 2 days, 24 and 25. On 26th, in the early morning at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. is the last time by which you have to upload. After that, your work will not come. Okay, 9 a.m. or before that 9 a.m. you have to upload the upload your work whatever you have done, okay, in your page. And now what are the things which you have to keep in mind? First of all, suppose this is your page. This is the page of your notebook. On the top of your page, first of all you will mention your name, your class, okay, and your section. Okay, here you will write your name, your class and section, and then you will start to write whatever the writing material will be there. You will start after that. First of all you have to mention your name and your class and section. Now students, what are the things which you have to keep in mind while you will write in your notebook, okay, and on the basis of which you will get certificates, you will get good marks. First of all, the formation of basic alphabets. As you know, how many alphabets are there in English alphabet? 26 are there. So you should know the proper way to write the alphabets. Okay, suppose capital A, cursive writing you have to write. You have to do the work in cursive writing. Okay, suppose this is a capital A. Okay, this is a small b, C, D, E. So proper formation of the letters you should know. Okay, so you will write the proper alphabets. In which manner the teacher taught you to write in cursive writing, in the same manner you will write in the notebook. This is the first thing which you have to keep in mind. Now second thing, usage of proper lines. Now students, in your notebook there are some lines in which you have to write, okay, in which you used to write in your notebook in proper lines. So in proper lines only you will write the words, you will write the alphabets. Suppose this is your line, okay, so in between these two lines you will write properly L, I and E. And suppose this is the line of your notebook, okay, then you will write it properly. Okay, so you should write the words, the lines in proper lines. Spacing. What is the meaning of spacing here? The words, suppose you have written a sentence, okay, and in this sentence some words will be there. So between the words there should be some proper space. Suppose he is standing. Okay, then full stop. Now here, after he, there is a space. It means here I have to take a pause. While I will read the sentence, I will take a pause. So, there is a space, then I will easily understand that there is a pause. Then I have to take a pause, and afterwards I will read the next word. So, in the same manner, after a word, you will leave some space. Okay, don't write in this manner. He is standing. Then you will not able to judge whatever you have written. Okay, it means there should be some space after the words in a sentence. Okay, now next thing is punctuation. Students, in grammar portion last year we have done the punctuation chapters also, and I taught you about the punctuation marks, capital letters, full stop. Okay, where we put capital letters. Suppose suppose someone's name is there in between sentence, so you will write the first letter capital. Suppose a proper noun is there in between sentence, then the first letter should be capital of the proper noun. So these things you have to keep in mind while you will do this handwriting in your notebook. Okay, where the full stop will come, after the full stop we put a capital letter, where the comma will come. Okay, after comma there should be a proper space, and comma you will make in a proper manner, in this manner. Okay, don't put this like, make the comma in a proper manner. Okay, suppose there is an apostrophe, so apostrophe will come in this manner. Okay, don't make it comma. So these things, the apostrophe, the full stop, the use of capital letters, the use of comma, what at which place all these things will come, you have to keep in mind. Then only you will do this handwriting page. Now neatness. The work you will do, it should be in a neat and clean handwriting. The teacher can easily understand whatever you have written in your page. Okay, whatever the page you will upload, the matter whatever you have written on that page, it should be neat and clean. Suppose some word you have written wrong, okay, the alphabets you have written not in a proper manner, as I taught you, proper formation you have not made, use the eraser. Okay, rub it and then rewrite the word again in a good handwriting. This is the main thing which you have to keep in mind. You will make the alphabets in a proper manner. Okay, suppose R, this one you can make. Okay, so but you will make the alphabets properly. Okay, as a teacher taught you, in whatever way we write while we are doing the cursive writing, the same manner you will do in your notebook while you will do this handwriting. Okay, the work should be neat and clean. Use the eraser if you have written something wrong. Okay, don't cut it. There is an eraser, so you will use the eraser to rub and then you will rewrite the word in a good handwriting. Sharpen the pencil, sharp the pencil again and again, and then do the work properly in a neat and clean handwriting. So these things you have to keep in mind, students, while you will do this handwriting page in your notebook. And after completing this thing, you will upload the paper. First of all, you will take a image. The image will come and then you will upload the image in the e-assignment module. In this manner, you will do this work. And the day is Saturday, 24th April. Don't forget this day. Okay, students, I hope the things whatever I have explained all the things are clear to you. So do the work as per the instructions which I gave you. So that's all in today's lesson. Have a nice day.